Hey everyone, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up and install the SyncWire MagSafe magnetic car phone holder. So, should be a pretty simple installation. Let's get it opened up. Looks like we've got a little instruction manual here, some extra pieces, so let's get those out, take a look at them. Alright, so that looks like an extra base pad. Clean the targeted area with the alcohol pad. Leave for 5 hours at least before pasting. No, after pasting, before use, okay? And then a couple magnetic rings. Those would go on the back of your phone or device. Little instruction manual there. And what is this one? Foreign instruction manual. And a wet wipe. What else we got? Okay, here is the case, or the device. You see here it's got its own magnetic ring. So if your phone has MagSafe capability, which is the later models of iPhone devices, then it would stick right on there, no problem. And of course it has a base pad already, so if you needed an extra base pad or if you needed to move it, you can do that as well. Now it claims it has 360 spinning. I'm not seeing that at all, so it doesn't seem to spin, but it does say that. Let's see. See if you can see it here. Right here. 360-degree rotation. So we'll see how that goes, but first thing we need to do is use the wet wipe and clean the intended area. So let's say we're going to put it right here. Alright. Then, important, clean it and leave for 5 hours before using. So let's just peel that off. This would go right here. Doesn't seem to be at all sticky. Like, literally not at all. It's bone dry. There's no sticky material on here whatsoever. Huh. There's this. Like a little protective piece. Don't know how you're going to get that off. There we go. But this is shocking to me. It's really not sticky at all. So that already is a problem for me. We clean the area, and what, you're just going to let it sit there and maybe in 5 hours it somehow is going to get sticky? I guess that is, no, not at all possible. Unless there's some kind of glue that comes out of there magically. But I don't believe so. So that already, that's a flaw. That'll come up in the review video, which we will have on Honest Reviews YouTube channel. There'll be a card up there, so you can watch that. But already, this is how to use it, and we can't really use it if it doesn't stick. So that is a problem. I also have another device here. This one is older. It doesn't have the MagSafe capability, but let's just see. Okay, look at that. See how the how it would work. Boy, you hit a bump in the road and your phone is going to fall off. So I guess I don't think that's that great of power. Let's see about if we just use one of these extra rings. How strong is that? Not really. So I guess overall I'm very not impressed with this device. It seems kind of chintzy, flimsy, but we'll get to all that in the review. Also, if you want to take a look at the unboxing video to see how this was packed, you can do so. That'll be in a card right up here, so you can watch the unboxing video. That'll be on the Honest Reviews YouTube channel. But overall, as far as a how-to video channel tutorial for this, we went through all the steps. We installed the product, but it doesn't seem to be installable. We could try it on the window, but no, it doesn't stick on the glass either. So there's no stickiness on here. Maybe that's why they give you an extra pad, but it's the same one, so that's probably not sticky either. I didn't think the magnetic was powerful enough, but check all that out. There will be an Honest Reviews YouTube video on that channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it might have been kind of a disappointment, but hey, you know what? First time we're using a product, we're checking it out. That's okay. We get the honest opinion even on how-to video channels. So please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned to future videos. Thank you.